Hi.
Hi.
In ABA, we talk a lot about using evidence-based practices as in our teaching strategies and in our programs. So what does that really mean? It means that the strategies and the techniques that we choose to teach have all been proven and researched in peer-reviewed journals. One of those teaching strategies that we use pretty often, we really like, is one called video modeling. So what is that?
Video modeling is essentially just a prompt. Video modeling is something that we can use when we're presenting an instruction. So we can say, hey, look, go play, and this is how you play, and we show them a video of how they play. There's lots of different ways to do video modeling as well. First of all, there's a lot of different videos you can use, and you can use videos for a lot of different things. We tend to use videos for teaching social interactions. So we can use videos such as Model Me Kids that have different kids in them, or we can take videos of our students specifically doing those activities, or we can take pictures of therapists doing things as well. So we can teach using social skills, so we can teach things like hi, how are you? We can teach other greetings such as, hi, my name is Shayna, let's play, or hey, what's that? Teaching social interaction statements as well. We can also teach positive behavior in schools. So for instance, this is how I sit nicely during circle time. This is how I raise my hand. This is how I listen to the teacher. Those types of things we can put in video modeling. In the past, we've also used video modeling to teach play skills. So if a student doesn't know how to play with a train, for instance, we could videotape ourselves putting together a train track and driving the train around the track. We may also choose to add language into that as well, so that we can say choo-choo, hi conductor, or whatever type of language the student has. If the student's talking in one or two word phrases, we'd keep it very, very simple, like hi, choo-choo, let's go. If the student is talking in longer phrases, we can say, hi, let's go to the track. I want to go to the beach. Where do you want to go? Let's get my bathing suit. Let's go together. Adding more and more language to play scripts. So to summarize, you can teach video modeling for a lot of different things. So number one, you can teach it for social interaction. So some greetings, hi, how are you? More conversation things like this is how you have a conversation. School readiness skills, so raising hands, sitting in class, sitting in circle. You can use video to teach play skills as well. Here's how I move my train around the track. Another thing that I didn't talk about before was using video modeling for self-help skills. So some people use picture schedules to brush teeth, for instance. If a student responds to video, you could videotape either the therapist or themselves going through the entire toothbrushing sequence and have them watch that before they actually brush their teeth. So life skills is another place you could use video modeling. We also get asked the question of who's in video models. So is it advantageous to have the student themselves in the video models? Is it usually a parent or a therapist? Or can you buy pre-made video models? Can you look on YouTube? What works the best? There is some research out there, and the research is very mixed. Basically, what the research says is that video modeling works, when they compare whether it's the child themselves or the parents or somebody they don't know, is one more effective than the other? And really the answer to that is it depends on the kid. So, if you've got a student who, really enjoys and really likes seeing themselves on video, and the student's compliant enough, use that student on the video. If the student's not compliant and you can't get a good video, if the student isn't capable of saying, hi, how are you? Then obviously you're going to have to use somebody else in the video. Shir and I also use a lot of pre-made videos as well. We'll look to YouTube for that. Or like I mentioned earlier, Model Me Kids is a really great resource that we use as well.
Another way to use the video model is that even if the kid doesn't do the skill perfectly, you could take a video of them doing the skill. Like, for example, greeting a friend at the door. And maybe they did a few things right and a few things wrong. You could show them the video as feedback and start off with the positives, the things that they did really, really well, and then review the video together and look at some of the things they could do better. And then the important thing with video modeling to remember is lots of role play. So when we use video modeling as a teaching skill, we don't just show them the video and just hope that they're going to then demonstrate the skill. We do lots of practice. So if they did a few things wrong, keep practicing. We're going to try it again, take another video, maybe this one's better, and go over it together so that you're always practicing and doing role play. Even if you're watching a video of Model Me Kids, incorporate some role play within that, and also plan for generalization, because any skill you're going to be teaching with video modeling might be learned in a training situation, but it's still important to make sure that it generalizes to their real environment.